Yeah.
Okay, very good afternoon to all. In the previous session, we started the Unit 4 list. That we discussed about the definition, representation, operations, and types of list. So singly linked list, doubly linked list, circular linked list. So meaning of all these types we discussed, right? Now we started the discussion, in detail discussion regarding the singly linked list, right? Or operations of a singly linked list we have started. So in that we discussed the operations for a singly linked list. Yeah. So first part we have completed, that is the creation of a node. Now how to create a node? Yeah. So what do you mean by this? Yeah. Is it visible to all? Screen is visible. Yes, am I audible clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the first will operations for a singly linked list, right? Creation of a node. So how to create a node? So what you are using first you need to use first we need to create the node, right? And node we have created by using what? Self-referential structure. So struct node. So what is meant by this int info? For what purpose we have taken? Or who will explain this highlighted code? What do you mean by this? So here I have highlighted the 3, 4, 5 lines. So meaning of this. Hello. Hello. Am I audible to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what do you mean by this struct node int info? So for what purpose we have written this code? And what?
For creation of first node.
First node or any node?
Any node.
Okay. To create a node, we are using, so this concept is called as what type of structure?
Singly linked.
Referential, self-referential structure concept we have used here to define the node, right? And these concept we are using in a singly linked list, right? Now, node we have created, self-referential structure we have written here. Now we'll write so first function we have written here. For what purpose? So creation of a linked list. Creation of a linked list. So in that, what we have done? So first cycle, step 1. Step 1. Receive one node. Step 1, receive one node. From whom? From user, and allocate memory for that using what? Memory ka how you are allocating the memory? Which function you are using for allocating the memory? Malloc function using malloc function. Right. So here the step number 1, receive one node from user and allocate memory for that using malloc function. Right. Now here, so receive one node. Receive one node means, so the struct node we will call, right? So when we will call this struct node, and here the 2 variables I have created for the creation of node, right? So automatically, so this self-referential structure I have declared in our program as a global, right? So this self-referential structure I have declared in our program as a global, right? Global structure I have declared. Now in every method, so you can call this structure, right? Now create list, a separate method I have created. Now parameterized method I have created. Now here I am passing the data. Data means what you are passing. So what you want to insert in that node, right? So that data you are passing through this create list, right? After that struct node. And here 2 pointer variables you have created. How many pointer variable you have created? 2 pointer, star q and star temp, right? Now first we'll use the temp variable and we'll allocate the memory to the temp variable. Now how it is allocated? Now this statement we have written. Here data type star malloc size of and data type. So what is the data type here of these pointer? Here pointers the data type क्या है? Temp struct node, right? So structure struct is a data type. So name struct node here I have written. After that malloc size of and struct node. So here the memory is allocated to the temp, right? Now after that, so I have assigned the temp info. Now here, so here the 2 variables are there, temp info and link. So node is having 2 parameters. So one is info and another one is a link, right? So first, so to the first parameter, so what value you are assigning to the first parameter of this node? First parameter क्या है node चा? How to access the first parameter or how to assign the value to the first parameter of this node? With the help of this pointer variable temp, and now this arrow is called as a pointer structure. So already we have discussed this part. And the structure pointer operator we are calling, right? Now suppose if you want to access the values, suppose this is our struct, right? And you want to access or you want to assign some values to the info, right? How to assign the values? So with the help of parameters, right? So sorry, with the help of variables of that structure, right? So how many variables here we have created for this structure? So struct node, start q and start temp, right? Now we'll use the start temp, right? Now with the first, I have assigned the memory to that temp, right? Now after that, I am assigning the values to these 2 parameters, right? First is the info. Now how to assign the value to this info? So temp, and this is the, this arrow is called as a structure pointer operator. Good. Now temp info. So here data. So whatever the data you are passing through this function or whatever the data you are assigning here or using, so that data is assigned to the info field, right? Now after that, now when this statement will execute, so at that time what will happen? A statement execute झाल्यानंतर काय होणार आहे?
First element of
temp. So here the memory is allocated, right? So memory is allocated, and memory allocated means memory address is given, right? Suppose address we'll assume here 1000, right? And how many parameters are there? So two parameters. First is the info and second one is the link, right? Now assign the values to the info. So here we'll assign the value data. So whatever the value you are considering for the data. Yeah. Right. So data value is assigned here. And after that, second. So what is second? Temp link. Right. So initially we are assigning null. Right. Now when you are creating the struct node, right? At that time, one more pointer again we are considering, that is start pointer, right? So initially start pointer is equal to null. Initially start pointer equal to initially the value of the start pointer is also right. Now these statement all of you understood. So these three statement already we have discussed. Just I'm revising it. Now here receive one node from the user, right? So we have received a node and this is the node, right? And allocate a memory for that using a malloc function, right? So this is the step number 1. And step number 2 is simultaneously you can dictate these steps in your notebook, right? So these are the useful steps. So at the time of implementation, so these steps you need to remember. Now first we'll set data, right? And set data and we'll say link field, right? After that, for that node, right? For that node. So these two steps, all of you understood. So how these two step number 1 and step number 2 is performed here. So these two steps performed here by using this for statement. Is there any doubt after this? Your voice is now, my voice is coming clearly or still it is breaking? Aditya? Hello? Hello, hello? Voice is coming to all?
Yes, sir.
Now it is clear, right? Okay. Now step number 1. All of you understood? Step number 1 lakshat aale ka? Yes or no? Hello? I'm not getting any response from your side. So what should I? Hello? Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, sir. Audible. You are audible.
Yeah, I'm audible. But what I'm asking, so step number 1, receive one node from user and allocate memory for that using malloc function. So these steps, all of you understood. So how we have performed these steps? So first we have created a node, right? With the help of self-referential structure. Now create list int data, right? So here we are passing the data to this parameterized function, right? Struct node. So these two pointer variables we have created here, right? And for one pointer variable, we have assigned the memory by using the malloc function. And after that, we have assigned the data to the info field. We have assigned the data to this info field and null value to the next link field. Now here you can see, so this temp structure is created, a temp node is created. data is assigned to the first field and null value we have assigned to the second field, right? And temporary, we have considered the address of that temp is 1000. And when you create a struct node, so start null pointer start is equal to null. So here initially start pointer is assigned value assigned to the start pointer is null. Up to this, all of you understood? So these two steps. Any doubt in the
Yes,
first?
sir.
Yes. Okay. Now step number 3. Now step number 3 in the creation of a linked list is check whether start pointer is null, comma, if yes, check whether start pointer is null. If yes, then make new node as a start node. Right. Now, what is the third step? Check whether the start pointer is null. Now, here I have written the code for the step number 3. Check whether the start pointer is null. Now, how to check the start pointer is null or not? So, what we need to write in a code? What to write here? To check whether the start pointer is null or not. Yes. How to check the start pointer is null or not?
By using if else condition.
By using if else condition, right? Good, very good. So here I have written the if start equal to null, right? So if the condition, if yes, then what you are doing? Check whether the start pointer is null. If yes, then make new node as a start node. Now, new node value we have stored in which pointer here? New node value कोणत्या pointer मध्ये घेतलेले? In which pointer we have stored? So whatever the new value we are taking here from the user. So in which pointer we are storing here? Temp, right? So in temp pointer we have assigned. So info and link, right? Now what we are doing? So if start equal to null. So then what we are doing? So if yes, then make new node as a start node. So here, so start is equal to temp and return. So directly we have assigned start is equal to temp. So here instead of null, so what will come? Instead of null, Kyle value is
Temp.
Temp. So what is the address of temp?
In for data.
1000, right? So instead of null, so here start is equal to 1000. Means here the start is connected with this first node. But here, so this link is pointing towards the null only, right? Or this link is the null. Now suppose if you have inserted first data that is 10, so 10 will be stored here. Right. Now first node is inserted here, right? Now in case step number 4 will consider. Now here what we have check whether the start pointer is null. And if yes, then make new node as a start node. Now otherwise means if it is not null, then what you are doing? Now in this case, we have inserted the 10. Now we have inserted the 10 value. Now you can check whether the start pointer is null. आता start pointer null आहे का इथं?
No, sir.
No.
No.
In that case, what you are doing? If start pointer is not null, then travel, otherwise travel through the list, till end of list and at new. Right. So what we need to do, so if the first node is, am I audible? आवाज येतोय का?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If start pointer is not null, so then what you are doing? Otherwise, travel the list till end of the list. Means, so start pointer is always, start pointer is connected to the first element or second element. In the previous session, already we have discussed this part. Only to the first element, right? Now, if you want to insert the next element, so you need to traverse from the first element to the next element, right? Suppose if you are having the 3 elements, right? So you need to insert the next element at the 4th position or at the first position. That is depending on where you want to insert, right? So here, so otherwise travel the list till end of the list and at the new node, right? Or at end of new node. Otherwise, travel the list till end of list, right? And at new node, at end of linked list, end of linked list. Linked list, I would say linked list. Now, how to perform this step number 4? Otherwise, travel the list till end of the list and at the new node at the end of linked list, right? So here, so to traverse from the first node to the last node, so we have considered one more pointer variable. So pointer variable, that is q. So we are not traversing by using the start pointer, because start pointer we are using only for the first node. So we are not changing the location of start pointer. Now, if you want to traverse from first location to the last location, so who is pointing to the first location? Start pointer, right? Now we'll take help of start pointer and we'll assign the start pointer value in the q pointer, and we'll start traversing from start to the till end of the list. Now, how to traverse? Now, for that purpose, this while loop we are using. While q of link is not equal to null, so then we are traversing, we are changing the values, right? Now, so when you are assigning, so what is the value of start here? इथे start ची value काय आहे सुरुवातीला? Start ची value काय आहे? Start equal to, इथे काय दिलेलं आहे? Link of what? कशाचा ऍड्रेस असाइन झालेला आहे?
Data.
Can I say like this? Temp pointerचा ऍड्रेस असाइन झालेला आहे. म्हणजे so what is the value of start data? इथे start data ची value काय असेल? What is the value of start data?
10.
10. Now all of you give attention here. So this part is very important. Start data ची value काय असणार आहे? So this part I am writing for your information purpose. This is not a part of your code. And start of link is equal to what? Either start of link काय असेल?
Null.
Null, right? Null. Now, when you assign the Q is equal to start. So Q is equal to start. So at that time, so what is the value of Q? Q ची value काय असेल? Start ची value काय झाली इथं? Start ची value काय आहे? 1000 आहे, बरोबर आहे? Address of the temp, right? Now here the value of Q is also address of the temp, right? Now Q of data is equal to what now? 10, right? Good. Now you understood. And what is the value of Q link? What is the value of Q link now?
Null.
Null. इथं Q ची व्हॅल्यू काय असणार आहे? 1000, राईट? आणि इथं स्टार्ट ची व्हॅल्यू काय असणार आहे?
10.
नाही, सुरुवातीला काय असणार आहे इथं? 1000 ना? 1000 असेल तरच आपण नोड ऍक्सेस करू शकतो, बरोबर आहे? राईट. Now when you write Q is equal to start, so at that time what happened? So value of start is copied in the Q. So Q is equal to 1000. Now Q of data is equal to 10 and Q of link is equal to null, right? Now, so we'll check this in the while loop. So while Q of link is not equal to null, screen is visible to all? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
It is disconnected and reconnected. My voice is coming continuously or it is a breaking? Hello?
Sir, sometimes it's breaking.
Now it is okay?
Yes, sir.
Here I'm facing some internet connection problem. So due to that, so in between, so here I'm getting the message that internet connection is sustainable, something like this. Okay, when at that time you can inform me, right? Or send a message. The voice is breaking or like this. Right. Now what we are discussing, so Q is equal to start, right? Now Q of link is not equal to null. So what condition I have written here? Q of link is not equal to null. Is this condition is true or false? Condition true hai ka false hai?
True.
Q of link. So what is value of Q of link here?
Null.
No. Here what is the condition? Not equal to null. Not equal to null hai ka?
No, sir. False.
Equal to null hai. Not equal to null hai ka?
No.
No. So here the condition is false. If the condition is false, so then, so what you are doing? So Q of link is equal to 10. Now here, so when you are executing the program next time, so again one more temp is created here. Where to draw? One more temp is created, and that new data is arrived here with the help of temp pointer, right? परत एक आता next data आपण इथे insert करायला लागलेला आहे, right? आता first data आपण insert केला. First data we have inserted, right? Temp is equal to what we have data, what we have inserted, 10 we have inserted, right? So once this loop is executed, so we'll exit from this function, right? Now after that, when you insert the new data, so we'll start from the starting onwards. So we'll create the memory for the temp, right? Every time we'll take a temp as a temp, one simple pointer, right? So value is 2000. So address we'll assume here, that is 2000, right? Now what is the value of temp info here? So what is the value of temp info? इथं काय 20 कन्सिडर केले, right? And link null I have considered here. So this is the new node inserted by the user, right? Now first node already we have inserted, right? So when you insert the new node or new value, that is 20, so that will be stored in one temp node, right? Now after that, first we'll check this if loop. Now if start equal to null, so the condition is true or false?
True.
True असणार आहे का false असणार आहे? Start equal to what? Start equal to काय आहे इथं? Null आहे का? Already we have inserted one element here.
False.
Start equal to 1000 आहे इथं. इथं किती आहे? Start equal to 1000. Already we have inserted the element. First element 10, right? Now we are inserting the second element 20. And for that purpose, we have created a memory and we have assigned the data and we have assigned link equal to null, right? Now we are checking start equal to null. Now here afterwards, every time, so this condition will become false, right? So why? Because initially, so when you are inserting the first element, ज्यावेळी तुम्ही first element insert करता, त्याच वेळी फक्त ही condition true होणार आहे. आणि नंतर every time from the second node onwards, so this condition will become false. Now we need to execute or we need to check the else, right? Now copy q is equal to start. Now what is the value of start? So 1000 and start of data is equal to 10 and start of link is equal to null, right? Now all these values are assigned to the q. Now q is equal to 1000, q of data is equal to 10, q of link is equal to null. Now check while q of link is not equal to null. So this condition is true or false here? Q of link. Yes. This condition is
False.
false now. This condition is false, right? Now, if the condition is false, means which statement you are executing? This statement or this statement?
Q of link is equal to 10.
Now, Q of link is equal to temp. Now, what is the value of Q of link? Now, what is the value of temp here? Temp ची value काय? So, address we are storing, right? So, in a pointer, always you think about address only. Don't think about value. Q of link काय आहे इथं? Link म्हणल्यानंतर address. Data म्हणल्यानंतर info field देणार. Link. So, what is the value of temp?
1000.
temp. आता ही दुसरा temp create झाला. हा
2000.
assign झाला already.
2000.
हा पहिला
2000.
temp आता start ला assign झाला. 2000. So here the Q of link is get changed instead of null. So what is the value here? 2000. 2000 means, so instead of this null, आता या null च्या ठिकाणी काय येणार? आता हा temp कुठे जाईल? Where it will goes? अरे सगळं चाललं डेटा. इथं स्टार्ट इथं पॉइंट झाला, इथं 10 आहे, राईट? नाउ इन्स्टेड ऑफ नल, आता इथं नलच्या ऐवजी काय असणार आहे इथं? नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट. सो व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट? 20, right? And address of that element is 2000, right? Now here the Q of link is equal to 2000. So here, so first node is connected with the second node. Now here Q of link is equal to 2000, right? Now after that, once you have assigned these value, so automatically, so when you will assign this value, so if Q of link is equal to 2000, means here, इथं आता Q of link 2000 झाला. Q ची व्हॅल्यू काय झाली? आता इथं Q आलेला आहे, म्हणजे Q ची व्हॅल्यू काय झालेली आहे इथं?
2000.
Just a moment. Queue of data काय झालेला आहे? Now what is the value of queue of data here?
20.
No. Here again will change. Start of null काय झालं इथं? Let me check this. Start of null. So forget about this one. Here you can. Queue of link is equal to 2000. Means, so here start of link is also instead of null काय येणार इथं? Null असेल का इथं?
No,
काय
sir.
असेल झालेलं आहे? 2000. Right? Now we'll move to the next part. Now here in this way we have inserted the element. In this way we have connected this element to the end of the list. Now you want to insert the next element, that is the 30. Now you want to insert the 30. Now we'll check from the starting onwards. Now struct node, create the node. Now once again, so temp is created. So every time we are creating one temporary node, right? So by using this temp pointer, temp, so assign the memory. Memory is assigned by using what? So memory is assigned by using the malloc function. And when you will assign the memory, so here we'll assume the address of that memory is 3000. Address of that memory is 3000, right? Now temp info is equal to what? Data काय असेल? What is the data here?
30.
30. Now what is the value of link? Now here, इथं काय असणार आहे? इथं काय nullच राहणार आहे as it is. तर पहिल्या टेमचं काय झालेलं आहे? Null as it is राहिलेलं आहे इथं. So this will not change, right? So this will remain as it is. Null. Now temp of link is equal to what here? आता हा नवीन क्रिएट करायला लागलेला आहे. काय इथं? What is the value?
Null.
Null. Right? Now check if start is equal to null. Start is equal to null आएगा. So condition is true or false?
No,
False.
false.
False. Condition is false. Now come to the else loop. Now copy the values of start. Now what is the value of start now? Start की value क्या है आता? What is the value of start? Start is pointing to the first node 1000. Start of data is equal to 10 and start of link is now this is not a null because the two nodes are there. Start of link is equal to 2000. Now all these data is copied into the queue pointer here. हा सगळा data कुठे copy झालेला आहे? So all these data is copied into the queue pointer. Now check here. Queue of link is not equal to null. Now this condition is true or false. All of you give attention here. So this part is very important. Here afterwards, I will not explain how these values are traversed. So directly I will explain the code. So these are the codes. Queue of link is not equal to null. This condition is true or false.
False.
True असेल का false असेल? Queue of link is not equal to null.
True.
True. Either equal to some value is there, right? So this is not equal to null. So this here some value means it is not equal to null, right? So condition is true. Now if the condition is true, so then what you are doing?
Q of link Q is equal to 4.
Q is equal to Q of link. Now what is the value of Q currently? Currently what is the value of Q? Q ची value काय आहे? नुसते Q ची value काय आहे? Q ची value काय आहे? 1000. Right? Q pointer मध्ये 1000 address store आहे. ठीक आहे? मग आता इथं काय झालेलं आहे? 1000 address आहे आणि हा 10 डेटा आहे आणि हा नेक्स्ट पॉइंटर इथला पॉइंटर हा इथल्या लिंक मध्ये स्टोर आहे. सो क्यू ऑफ लिंक मध्ये 2000 आहे, राइट? नाउ हियर व्हाट वी हैव डन बाय यूजिंग दिस स्टेटमेंट, सो वी हैव असाइन्ड द वैल्यूज टू द क्यू as a 2000. Now what is the value of queue of link here? What is the value of queue of link?
2000.
2000. Now where it is replaced? So here I will write comma so that you will understand. So how the values get changed. 2000 value. Next value काय झालेले आहे? Now you can understand. So here previously it was 1000. Now it is 2000. Now if it is 2000, so I will write a semicolon and comma so that previous value you are able to understand. Now if the value of q is 2000, जर q ची value 2000 असेल तर q of data ची value काय असेल? If the value of
20.
So what is the value of q of data? 20. Now what is the value of q of link now?
3000.
Q of link 3000. इथं बघा इथं या 2000 ला ही लिंकची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे इथं? 3000 आहे का 2000 आहे? ही नल आहे.
Null आहे.
इथं नल आहे. So we'll write null. All of you pay attention. Now the Q of link is null. Q of link now instead of 2000, so here it becomes null. Now come to this loop once again. So still we are in the for loop. अजून या for loop मध्ये आहे. Still we have not break this for loop. Now check. Q of link is not equal to null. Condition
False.
is true or false?
False.
False, sir. False.
आता Q of link is equal to null आहे. पण इथं आपली कंडिशन काय? Q of link not equal to null पाहिजे आपल्याला. But now here Q of link is null. So condition is true or false?
False.
False.
False. Right. Now if the condition is false means which statement you are executing?
Q of link
Q
equal
of
to
link equal to temp.
Temp. Now what is the value of temp now? Now you can say 3000. Now what is the value of Q of temp?
3000.
3000. Now here instead of null, next value is stored, that is 3000. Now when you store the Q of link is equal to 3000 means instead of this null, तर null च्या ठिकाणी काय येणार? So this node is connected with which one? So this 30. And here null will remain as it is. Here null will remain as it is. So here the this else loop will close. Else loop will close and our insertion of a node is completed. Now 10, 20 and 30. 3 nodes we have inserted. Now we'll see one more node and after that we'll go for the next function. Now is there any doubt up to this? इथपर्यंत समजलं सर्वांना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll consider one more node. Create a list. So struct node. Now here we'll pass the data. Can I move this at this side? Is it okay? Or is it visible to all? What is this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next, suppose you want to insert 40. Suppose if you want to insert 40, next value. Now create list will call this function. Int data value is 40. So here we'll call struct node q and temp, right? Now, so temp, one more temp we will create here and we'll assign the address to the temp. We'll assign the address to the temp. Now, what is the address here?
4000.
4000. Now these addresses is given by the system. So only here for our understanding purpose, I'm assuming it, right? So don't consider, so it is like this, right? So these are the by default, our system is assigning these addresses. We are not able to see or we are not able to assign it. But for our understanding purpose, here I'm writing, right? So 4000 address I have assigned. Now what is the value of temp info? Temp info value काय असेल?
40.
40, right? Now what is the value of temp link? What is the value of temp link? इथं असणारी value. काय असेल?
Null.
Null. Right. Now this temporary node I have created. So this temporary node first I have created. Now I want to insert this 4T into this linked list. Right. Now how to insert? So first I will check if start equal to null. So condition is true or false?
False.
False. Right. Now come to the else loop. Right. Now assign the values of q is equal to star. Start ची value पहिल्यांदा q ला assign करा. So what is the value of start now? Start ची value काय आहे? Start is equal to 1000. Start of data is equal to 10. Start of link is equal to 2000. हे link कुठं connected आहे? Next node 2000. So all these values are assigned here initially. Let me erase the previous data. Previous data erase करतो मी, so that you are able to understand. Now what is the value of q? All of you give answer fast. So I am expecting the answer from your side. Q is equal to what? If I write this statement, q is equal to start and value
1000.
of start is this. Q is equal to
1000.
Q of data is equal to
10.
10.
Q of link is equal to
2000.
right. Now come to this while loop. So Q of link is not equal to null. Condition is true or false? Fast.
True.
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 Now what is the value of Q of link here? 2000. Right. So where you are assigning this 2000? To whom? To whom you are assigning this value? Q of link. Q. So here I write Q is equal to 2000. So now the value of Q becomes, instead of 1000, 2000. Now if the value of Q, now come here while loop is completed, right? Now again we need to check this one. But before that, so if the value of Q is get changed, at the Q value काय झाली 2000. Then what is the value of Q data here?
20.
20. Now what is the value of Q link here?
3000.
3000.
3000. Good. Sorry. 3000. Now come here. So check the while loop. So Q of link is not equal to null. Condition true or false?
True.
True. Now come to this statement. So Q is equal to Q of link. So what is the value of Q of link here?
3000.
3000. Now 3000 is assigned to whom?
Q.
Now value of Q is 3000.
3000.
Right. Now value of Q is 3000. Value of Q is 3000. So here, what is the value of Q of data in that case?
30.
30. Good. And what is the value of Q of link?
Null.
Null.
Null. Why it is null? Because this is the last node of the link list. Right. Now check the condition. Q of link is not equal to null. Condition is true or false?
False.
False. Condition is false means you can come here. So check this.
Q of link equal to temp.
So what is the value of temp here?
4000.
4000. Right. So here the next value of Q of link is 4000. Now when you assign the Q of link is equal to 4000, means what is the change here? What will be the change? So this null will be removed and this will be connected to whom?
40.
40. And after execution of this statement, so our else loop will come. Now in this way, so we have added the next element in the linked list. Now all of you understand. Is it interesting? Hello? All of you able to understand the things? Logically, I have explained. Now all of you understood the insertion of a node in a linked list. Hello. Now, first
Yes.
part we have completed, creation of a linked list. So all of you understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, next step we'll see here. So next operation. Creation of a linked list. Now, insertion of a node at beginning. Insertion of node at beginning. Now, in the previous part, so in the previous operation, so we are inserting the node at end or at the start?
End.
At the end. Now, suppose the same. Suppose if you want to insert the node at the beginning only, right? So how to insert it? So step number 1. So first I will write the steps. Receive what? Receive one node from where?
Sir,
Yes. Hello. Someone is asking. Hello. कोणीतरी क्वेश्चन विचारत होते. Okay. Receive one node from the user and allocate memory. Memory by using what?
Malloc function.
By using malloc function, right? Sorry. Malloc function, right? Next step. Second step is insertion of a node at the beginning. Set up. It's a data and info, or you can say assign the values of data and info, right? And third step. Now, if you want to insert the new node as a first node, so then what you need to do? जर तुम्हाला नवीन नोड as a first node म्हणून insert करायचं असेल तर काय चेंज करावं लागेल? So what is expected here? Now already you have studied this one. So if you want to insert the node at the end of the linked list, you need to traverse through the linked list from first node to the last node. Now how to do the traversing? So this part we have discussed in the elsewhere. Now suppose instead of that, suppose if you want to insert the node at the start of the node, start of the linked list. If you want to insert the new node at the start of the linked list, किंवा पहिला नोड म्हणून तुम्हाला इन्सर्ट करायचं, तर काय करावं लागेल?
We have to check whether the start pointer is null or not.
Yes. Let it be, it is null or anything. पण मला पहिलाच जो नवीन नोड मी इन्सर्ट करणार आहे तो मला पहिलाच करायचा आहे. मग पहिला नोड हा काय असेल?
Q of link is equal to data आहे.
डायरेक्टली आपण काय करणार त्याला? स्टार्ट पॉइंटर कोणाला असाइन असतो? ऑलवेज स्टार्ट पॉइंटर इज पॉइंटिंग टू whom?
First element.
First element. And if you want to insert the new node as a first element, then what you need to do? Now I have given a trick.
First null assign करावं लागेल.
तुम्ही काय करताय, पहिल्या एलिमेंटला स्टार्ट पॉइंटर ऑलवेज कनेक्टेड असतो, बरोबर आहे. पहिल्या एलिमेंटला हा इथं, सो आय विल शो यू डायग्रामॅटिकली. इथं बघ, स्टार्ट पॉइंटर इज ऑलवेज कनेक्टेड विथ द फर्स्ट पॉइंटर, फर्स्ट नोड, राईट. या फर्स्ट नोडला कनेक्टेड आहे. सपोज आय वॉन्ट टू इन्सर्ट द न्यू नोड. द न्यू नोड काय आहे, टेम्प आहे, राईट. सो न्यू नोड इज अ टेम्प, राईट. So TMP I will write, and here, so this 50, so 50 I want to insert at the start of the list before 10. मला हा 10 च्या अगोदर इन्सर्ट करायचा. म्हणजे काय करावं लागेल, हा स्टार्ट पॉइंटर कोणाला कनेक्ट करावं लागेल, टू whom you need to connect the start pointer,
टेम्प.
हा स्टार्ट पॉइंटर इथून काढून कोणाला कनेक्ट करावं लागेल, change the
50.
color change. हा स्टार्ट पॉइंटर कोणाला कनेक्ट होईल, डायरेक्टली तो कोणाला कनेक्ट होईल, इथं टेम्पला कनेक्ट होईल, राईट. जर सपोज इफ यू वॉन्ट टू इन्सर्ट दिस 50 टू द as a first element of this linked list, 50 mala as a first element, before 10 I want to insert this 50. Means what you need to do, you need to assign this start pointer to the 50 instead of 10, and this 50's next link pointer ha kunala assign करावा लागेल, स्टार्टच्या ठिकाणी. म्हणजे कुठे जाणार तो, इथं असणार आहे. प्रिव्हियसली स्टार्ट मध्ये कोणाची व्हॅल्यू होती, पहिल्यांदा स्टार्ट मध्ये कोणाची व्हॅल्यू होती, ही 1000 व्हॅल्यू होती, बरोबर आहे. मग ही 1000 आधी कोणाला कॉपी करून घेणार आपण,
50 ला.
हा लक्षात येते का तुमच्या. सो विल कॉपी, सो दिस स्टार्ट पॉइंटर व्हॅल्यू टू होम, सो टेम्प लिंक कोणामध्ये कॉपी करून घेणार आपण, पहिल्यांदा त्याला पहिल्यांदा काय करायचं, स्टार्ट पॉइंटरची टेम्प लिंक. सो व्हॉट इज द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ टेम्प लिंक इक्वल टू काय असेल, सो दिस इज द टेम्प लिंक. सो फर्स्ट विल कॉपी द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ स्टार्ट पॉइंटर, राईट. पहिल्यांदा आपल्याला स्टार्ट पॉइंटरची व्हॅल्यू कॉपी करून घ्यावं लागेल. मग टेम्प ऑफ लिंक इज इक्वल टू, सो दिस इज द टेम्प ऑफ लिंक इज इक्वल टू व्हॉट, स्टार्ट. टेम्प ऑफ लिंक इज इक्वल टू स्टार्ट. म्हणजे किती व्हॅल्यू इथं कॉपी झाली, 1000, आणि समजा इथं ह्याची व्हॅल्यू असेल 5000, ह्याची व्हॅल्यू असेल 5000. मीन्स टेम्प ऑफ लिंक इज इक्वल टू स्टार्ट, मीन्स दिस इनिशियली स्टार्ट इज स्टोरिंग द 1000. सो दिस 1000 इज असाइन्ड टू दिस टेम्प ऑफ लिंक. पहिल्यांदा टेम्प ऑफ लिंक मध्ये ही स्टोर झाली. मग आता नेक्स्ट काय करावं लागेल आपल्याला, व्हॉट यू नीड टू डू,
Start equal to 5000.
And start is equal to 5000. Now how to assign this start is equal to 5000? What to write here? Start is equal to what? What should I write here? Can I write like this?
Temp.
Temp of T.
Start is equal to temp. Yes? Yes or no? Either temp लिहिलं. What is the value of temp? Temp म्हणजे काय, ऍड्रेस. डायरेक्टली यू कॅन कन्सिडर हियर ऍड्रेस. ऑलवेज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ऍड्रेसेस. नुसतं तुम्ही हा पॉइंटर जर ऍज इट इज नुसता घेतला विदाउट दिस एरो, तर त्यात तो काय कॉपी करणार, त्याचा करंट ऍड्रेस कॉपी करणार. जर तो असा लिंक असेल तर त्याच्यातला डेटा कॉपी करेल. टेम्प ऑफ लिंक म्हणजे याच्या सेकंड फील्ड मध्ये आपण ही व्हॅल्यू कॉपी केली 1000, आणि स्टार्ट इज इक्वल टू काय कॉपी केलेलं आहे, टेम्प. म्हणजे हा स्टार्ट पॉइंटर मग कोणाला पॉइंट होईल, सो दिस स्टार्ट पॉइंटर विल पॉइंट टू द टेम्प अँड 50, and this 50 link, temp of link will connect with the first node of the linked list, right? And automatically this 50 is inserted at first of the linked list. Is there any doubt? Is it easy to insert the element at the beginning of the linked list? Difficult आहे का काय?
No, sir.
How many statement you need to change in the previous function? Previous function मध्ये काय change करावं लागेल? Here I will write a separate function. Now, let me complete this step. Now all of you understood. So what we are going to do here? If you want to insert the node at the beginning of the linked list, right? So now, new node is at start or is a start node. Now new node is a start node. Now how to do this? Now for that purpose, here we'll write a separate function, add at beginning. So these are the user defined function, and add at beginning. So what you want to add? So that data will pass through this. After that, now what you need to change here? So these four statements, struct. Now queue is required here. आता queue लागेल का इथं आपल्याला? Queue is required or not? Traversing करायची गरज आहे का?
No.
नाही.
Nine. Traversing is not required. So only we'll take a temp, right? So we will take only temp, right? So here the struct temp. So temporary variable is created. After that, info is assigned, null is assigned. Temp of info is equal to data. Now instead of null, directly आपण इथं हेच करूया. If else लिहायची गरज. Temp of link is equal to what you need to write here. Condition check करायची गरज आहे का इथं? If start equal to null. Is it necessary to check?
No.
No. Let it be. It is first element or last element. Directly we are assigning them to the first, right? So temp of link is equal to what to write here? Start. Start. And next काय statement आहे? Temp is equal to start is equal to
Temp.
temp. So that's it. Our function is completed. If you want to add a new element at the beginning of the linked list, so these two statements are sufficient. Is it difficult to add the element at first location or at the last location? Which is difficult?
At
Last location.
Last.
Location.
First ला ऍड करायचं असेल तर डायरेक्टली ऍड करू शकतोय. जर लास्ट ला ऍड करायचं असेल तर काय करावं लागेल? What you need to do if you want to add the element at last, you need to traverse through all the elements from first element up to the end of the linked list, right? So you need to traverse from first to the last. So this is the second operation. This is the second operation, insertion of a node at the beginning. So first operation, creation of a node, insertion of a node at the, creation of a linked list. We have discussed how to create a linked list and how to add a node at the end of the linked list. And here we have discussed how to add the node at the beginning of the linked list. I hope all of you understood both the functions. Now next part is, still we have a time. How much time we have? Our session is ending at what time?
2:50, sir.
2:50. Means still we have 45 minutes. Okay. So we'll finish the next. Yes. Again, one more thing is there. We have seen the insertion of element at start, insertion of element at the end, right? Now, suppose if you want to insert the element at any specific position, then at the specific position la mala ekhanda add करायचं असेल. Suppose I want to add new element. Suppose here 10, 20, 30, and 40. 4 elements are there. I want to insert the new element after 20. मला आता इन बिटवीन कुठे इन्सर्ट करायचं किंवा आफ्टर 30 मला ऍड करायचं. Now first operation, all of you understood first two operations. Now I want to insert the element at any specific position. Now this is our real data structure concept. Now is it possible? First thing is it possible to insert the element at any position? Yes or no? In the array, it is not possible. In the array, it is not possible. But in linked list, is it possible? Is it possible?
Sir, by location.
By location. Yes, by location. Now, can I write here? I will write the name. Addition of new node. New node. I'll say new node. At any specific position or after any position. I will say here, is it visible to all or after any position? After any position or at any specific position. Now, what is the first step in that case? At that time, so first thing is the first step काय असेल? What is the first step? Receive
one node.
पहिल्यांदा आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल? At any specific position means what we require here.
First we choose at which position we want to insert element.
Okay, very good, very nice. So at which position you want to insert the element? First we need to insert where you want to insert the element. That specific position we require. Yes, very good. Again, next. Your internet connection is unstable. Am I audible? My voice is coming to all clearly.
Great.
Hello. 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 Is it audible to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. What you are saying? So first what we will do? We'll write here simultaneously. So what you are saying? So we required. We need to receive the specific position where you want to insert, right? So correct. Very good answer. After that, so in our linked list, so we required one pointer for traversing purpose, right? So we are not traversing our start pointer. So for that purpose, we'll receive one pointer value, or we'll assign some pointer. Receive one pointer, instead of that, assign some pointer, right? Let's say assign. Or you can say create a pointer. So here I will say Q. I will say Q, and here I will say create a pointer Q and assign. So Q pointer ला काय व्हॅल्यू असाइन करावं लागेल? तो आपल्याला ट्रॅव्हर्सिंगला यूज करायचं असेल तर assign it to start. or assign the value of start to that pointer, right? Assign it to start. So, second step, a Q pointer घेतलेला for the traversing purpose. Receive the position. Receive the position. So after which you want to insert new element. Receive the position. So after which node you want, right? You want to insert new node. Is it right? Like this, you want to say receive the position after which node you want to insert new node, right? So third step. Now, once you will get the position of that new node, so where you want to insert. So we need to traverse through from start to the that specific position, right? So traverse, you need to travel. We'll say traverse the list till that position. Traverse the list till that position. Okay. So whenever or will traverse through the list to that specific node, right? Now receive, once you are able to, you will identify the specific position. So after that, so receive the new node and allocate memory to it using what? Using which function? Hello? Malloc function, right? And after that, set up the data and info. That's so these 4 steps we need to follow. Now, how to write a program for this? त्याच्यासाठी कसं program लिहिणार? How to write a program? So can I write like this? So here I will create one method, add after, I will write add after. So here, how many parameters you need to pass? Int data, and again, one more parameter is required. So what data you want to insert? So that new node value. And next, what you require?
Position.
So can I write here int POS? Int POS, right? Position. No. So struct node, and how many pointers we require? So create a pointer Q. Q कशासाठी लागणार आहे आपल्याला? For what purpose we required Q?
Traversing.
For the traversing purpose. And one more always we require, that is the one temp. So you can give the different name. So here I am giving always TMP, right? So for the new node, we'll use this temp, and for the traversing purpose, we'll use the Q. Now, three statement copy as it is. Now first temp is equal to struct node malloc struct. So this one is used for what purpose?
Creating node.
Allocating memory.
Allocate the memory, right? But when you are allocating this, start message, it's a different aspect. But before that, so before allocating the memory, so first we need to identify the position. So how to identify the position? The position मला identify करायचे लिस्ट. पहिल्यांदा मला काय करायचे? Position identify करायचे. So how to identify the position first? After that we'll assign the data and everything, all these things. मला specific position identify करायचे. Now these are the list. So forget about. Is it visible to all? So this one. Okay. Suppose you have four. These are the 10, 20, 30, and 40. Right. Now next is the 50. Now suppose 50 you want to insert after 30. 30 नंतर मला हे insert करायचं. After 30 you want to insert the element 50. So how to insert? So first we need to identify this position. How to identify this position? So here we'll write int I. काय करावं लागेल? So q is equal to. So what you are doing? पहिली step काय आहे? Create a pointer q and assign it to the start. Q is equal to start. कशासाठी वापरतो आपण ही? For what purpose we are assigning this value? Q is equal to start.
Traversing.
For the traversing purpose, right? Now for, so we'll use the for loop for identifying the position. So I is equal to 0, semicolon, I less than POS minus 1, semicolon, I plus plus. For I is equal to 0, I less than POS minus 1. POS minus 1, why I have considered? Because here we are searching from 0 onwards, right? Suppose if you insert, so 1, 2, 3. After third position, you want to insert the element. Means here, so 2 we need to consider. Or you can consider here I is equal to 1, and here we'll remove this minus. No issue. Now, how to traverse this queue to identify the specific position? Now, suppose if you want to insert the element after 30, means which position or what is the value of POS then? POS value काय टाकणार इथं? What is the value of POS? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements are already available in your linked list. You want to insert the 50 after 30. Then what is the value of POS? POS value काय असेल? POS value काय असेल? 2 असेल का 3? Hello, hello. Hello, am I audible to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The POH value is the first element 10i. So what is the second element?
20.
Third element?
30.
And fourth element?
40.
I want to insert 50 after third element. आफ्टर थर्ड एलिमेंट मीन्स 30. 30 नंतर मला काय करायचं आहे, तो एलिमेंट इन्सर्ट करायचा आहे. देन व्हॉट इज द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ पीओएस? पीओएस काय असणार आहे? थ्री असणार का 2 असणार का 4 असणार?
3 sir.
3. Good. Now POS equal to, suppose if you want to insert the element after 30, then value of POS will be 3. Now here we'll use the for loop for the same, right? I is equal to 1, I less than POS. Now how to traverse? Now first element क्या है? Q is equal to Q of link will consider. Now we are traversing with the help of data or with the help of link? How we are traversing?
With the help of link.
With the help of link. So here Q is equal to Q of link we are using. The Q of link ची value काय आहे now? Initially what is the value of Q of link? जेव्हा आपण Q is equal to start म्हणतो त्यावेळी Q of link ची value काय आहे इथं?
Null.
Null कशी असेल?
1000.
1000 कशी असेल? 1000 कोणाची व्हॅल्यू आहे? स्टार्ट इज इक्वल टू 1000. आणि स्टार्ट ऑफ लिंक काय असणार आहे? स्टार्ट ऑफ लिंक काय असणार आहे? इथं ही व्हॅल्यू काय असेल हो? स्टार्ट ऑफ लिंक 2000 आहे ना नेक्स्ट एलिमेंटची व्हॅल्यू.
Yes sir.
स्टार्ट ऑफ लिंक काय आहे? 2000 आहे. मग क्यू ऑफ लिंक काय असेल? जर इथं असाइन केले सगळ्या व्हॅल्यू तर आणखी एकदा सांगतो, विसरला काय लगेच. सो डोंट फॉरगेट. सो इनिशियली व्हॉट इज द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ स्टार्ट? स्टार्ट इज इक्वल टू 1000. ठीक आहे, 1000. स्टार्ट इज इक्वल टू, सो दिस व्हॅल्यू 1000. स्टार्टची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे? 1000. देन स्टार्ट ऑफ डेटा ना लिंक
Data.
Start of data is equal to what?
10.
10. And start of link is equal to
2000.
2000. Q मग आपण इथं काय केलेलं आहे? Q is equal to start म्हटलेलं आहे. मग आता Q ची व्हॅल्यू काय असेल? Start is equal to 10. हे कुठे गेलं?
1.
Start is equal to 1000. मग Q is equal to काय असेल इथं?
1000.
1000. आणि Q ऑफ डेटा काय असेल?
10.
आणि Q ऑफ लिंक काय असेल?
2000.
आता हियर instead of start, so here I'll write Q. Here Q of data, and here Q of link. Right now, here in the for loop, what I have done, so I want to traverse the list to identify the specific position or up to specific position. Now Q is equal to, so what is the value of Q of link now? Q ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे आता करंटली? व्हॉट इज द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ Q ओनली? Q ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे?
1000.
1000, right? And what is the value of Q of link?
2000.
2000, right? So if Q of link is equal to 2000, the same value is assigned to the Q, right? Now what is the value of Q now? After execution of this statement, हे स्टेटमेंट एक्झिक्यूट झाल्यानंतर काय असेल व्हॅल्यू Q ची?
2000.
2000. Value of Q is 2000. Now all of you give attention. So here I'm writing the code directly. So we'll check Q is equal to null. If Q is equal to null, so then what you are doing? जर Q null झाला शेवट, ठीक है, but this condition will write later. Right. So first we'll check. Now, what is the value of Q? Q is equal to 2000. Now, if the value of Q is equal to 2000, then what is the value of Q of data? Q of data value काय असेल?
20.
20. Okay. And what is the value of Q of link now?
3000.
3000. Right. Now here the value of I. I ची value काय होती initially? 1 होती. Now it is 2. Now it will become 2. And what is the value of POS? POS ची value आपण काय टाकली होती? POS is equal to 3 we have inserted. Right? Condition true असेल का false असेल ही? Now I is equal to 2 and POS is 3. Condition is true or false?
True.
True.
Condition is true. Right? So again, we'll execute this statement. Now Q is equal to Q of link. Now what is the value of Q now? 3000. Value of Q. The Q link value किती आहे latest?
4000.
3000 आहे. आता किती होईल? 3000 झाल्यानंतर इथे किती होईल? Q of data पहिल्यांदा
30.
30. Right? 30. And Q of link is equal to
4000.
4000. Now the value of I is now 3. Now come to for loop. Now 3 less than PO 3. Condition is true or false?
False.
False. ठीक आहे. आता कंडिशन काय झालेली इथं? False झालेली आहे. ठीक आहे. Now what is the value of latest value of Q? Q ची latest value काय आहे? 3000. And Q of data काय आहे? 30. And Q of link is equal to what?
4000.
4000. Right? So Q of link is equal to 4000. Means now our pointer is located at which position? So this 30 node. Now come to outside of the for loop. Now for loop, this condition is false. Now here I will write. Now you can use this. Temp is equal to struct node malloc. So this statement you can write. Now temp of link is equal to. आता इथं आपल्याला काय करायचं? Temp of link is equal to. काय करायचं आपल्याला? Q of link add करायचं. All of you give attention. Now what is the value of Q of link? Q of link ची value काय आहे आता? What is the value of Q of link?
4000.
4000. ही 4000 आपण कुणाला असाइन केलेली आहे? Q of link ची व्हॅल्यू कुणाला असाइन केलेली आहे? टेम्प ऑफ लिंकला. आणि टेम्प ऑफ लिंक कुठं आहे? इथं आहे. म्हणजे हा कुणाला कनेक्ट होईल हो जाऊन? डायरेक्टली आधी टेम्प
40.
या 40 ला हा कनेक्ट होईल. पण हा परत कुणाला कनेक्ट व्हायला पाहिजे? सो दिस 30 शुड बी कनेक्टेड विथ होम
50.
50. सो हाऊ टू कनेक्ट देम टू द 50? त्याला 50 ला कसं कनेक्ट करणार? And temp of info is equal to data. So 50 is stored, right? Now how to connect? So this node, आता इथं आपण काय केले? Q of link we have assigned to the temp of link, but some value we need to assign. आता हा पॉइंटर काय केला आपण? कुठं हा रिमूव्ह केलेला आहे. इथं कोणाला असाइन केलं? हा डायरेक्टली टेम्प कोणाला असाइन करेल? याला असाइन करेल. But this Q of link should be assigned to someone. So to whom you want to assign? हा कोणाला असाइन झाला पाहिजे? हा कोणाला असाइन झाला पाहिजे? So this 30 temp ला असाइन झाला पाहिजे. Right? So this 30 should be assigned to the 50. So how to assign them to the 50? So Q of link is equal to what to write here?
Temp.
Now you understand. So Q of link is equal to temp, right? That's it. And here we'll write return in semicolon. Here our program is completed. Very simple. How many statement we have written? But one more condition is there. One more condition. Suppose if you want to insert the element.
Value null आले तर sir.
Value null म्हणजे suppose here I have assigned the POS is equal to 8. The POS is equal to 8 टाकलं तर काय होईल तो इथं येईल 4 पर्यंत येईल पण 5th पोझिशन अवेलेबल आहे का इथं
नाही.
5th position is available or not. So at that time, so here we need to check. So one if we will add here. Your last element is if q is equal to null. Q is equal to null आला next element. इथं next element null आला तर डायरेक्टली काय करणार हो आपण तो कुठे ऍड करणार डायरेक्टली जर समजा मी 8 टाकली POS 8 ही पोझिशन अवेलेबल आहे का is this position is available in the list?
No sir.
No. So at that time we'll check if the q is equal to null. So at that time directly we'll display the message. So the position is not available. POS not available like this, or position is not available or not in list.
Sir, we can't insert.
Or we can't insert like this. We can. Okay, good. Or we can't insert the element right at this position. Or you can display the position also. Or we can't insert the element in at this position at this POS like this equal to, you can do %d and here you can print the value of that POS also. No problem. So that is depending on you. So what you want to, right? So POS is not in list. Now this is about the add element at any specific position. So is there any doubt up to this? So we have discussed how many conditions today we have discussed?
3 conditions.
3 conditions. First condition is
At last.
Inserting at last.
inserting the element at last. After that, inserting in the element at
First
beginning and inserting the element at
any specific
position.
any position or any specific position, right? Just 1 second. Hello. Today we have discussed the 3 operations. How to create the linked list, in that how to insert the element at beginning of the linked list, how to insert the element at the end of the linked list, and how to insert the element at any specific position, right? So these 3 operations today we have discussed. Now the next operation is deletion operation. Now how to delete the element at any specific position, or how to delete the element at starting, or deletion of element at which is present at the end of the linked list, right? So these conditions or these operations we will discuss in the next session. And after that, one more very important, that is how to display the list, right, or element of the linked list. So for that purpose, we will discuss the next last operation, that is the display. And after that, we will go for the implementation part. Any question to this? Hello? Hello, am I audible to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we will stop here. We will take a break.
Sir,
So, yes.
sir, please share all these notepad notes.
Okay, okay, okay. I will share. Okay, good. Okay, now I will end the meeting for all. So now I have one urgent meeting. Okay, we'll stop here. Thank you.